balita ito, ikaw rin yung gumawa ng speech.
I didn't even know about that. I was even caught by surprise. I thought, oh, she's cool.
Yes.
I was caught by surprise. So wala akong kinalaman na.
Given all this, ano po yung reminder na gusto nyo ibigay sa mga president, online?
Sa mga celebrities.
I've always believed that the constitutional right to freedom of speech should always be upheld, but it should not be abused either. Yun lang.
But attorney, are you open to get Maris and Anthony sa mga future project ninyo?
Sa ngayon, ako kasi pag nagka-cast ako, depende sa material. Like, you know, I have never made a single project na ito gagawin ko for this cast. Wala. So kapag meron siguro, bakit hindi? I've worked with Maris before, and she's very good in Here Comes the Crew.
Right.
So magaling siya. Pag merong role in the future, why not? Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa masabi, but for now, I think ano muna, lay low muna for a while and let spirits, you know, the high tension come down. I think that's best for everybody. Kasi sometimes when you're so angry, when you're so reactive, you say a lot of things that you don't mean or may hurt people. Eh, hindi mo na mababawi yun eh. So, mas better na lang na tahimik mo.
Thank you, attorney.
Sorry.